And we're live again. Josh, Far Rock Sports Cards here again, doing another personal break. 2017-18 NFL Prizm. If you were with me before, about 10-15 minutes ago, I did NBA hoops. And I got old school Michael Cage Clippers auto and a Harry Giles rookie auto. None of these sold yet on eBay, but I can get the selling for people want. I mean, people are asking for 40 or 50. So if I can get $35, $40 for this, it's not bad. So again, 2017 Prizm, released yesterday. I was trying to get the first, I think it was first peak out of Panini, that they give you the bronze parallels that are autos numbered under 20, and the base was out of 6. We got here 3 autos per pack on average, 9 number cards. You got 12 packs, 12 cards per pack. The case hit is a rookie patch auto. And you also can look for Randy Moss tribute cards here. And I believe some of those are autoed also. But let's just get right to it. I mean, any rookie out of this set, I mean, I'll be happy with. I think. I mean, Kareem Hunt, Watson, Fournette, Corey Davis, Mike Williams, Terrence Ross. I think that's his name. Something Ross for the Bengals. All right. This is the base. Now we got Mike Wallace. John Ross. Good looking, bro. Hold on one second. I gotta close this window. Alright, Rob Gronkowski. Thomas Rawls. Michael Crabtree. Jonathan Howard. Jordan Howard, my apologies. Rashad Matthews. Duke Johnson. Got a Tavon Austin blue. Number 2, 199. James Conner rookie. Hassan Reddick rookie. Devontae Freeman and John Brown refractors. Carson Wentz, Doug Baldwin, Jeremy Hill, Julius Peppers, Julian Edelman, Zach Ertz. Rookie introductions, Jordan Howard. Chad Kelly, rookie for the Broncos. This is orange. Orange to 275. Sorry, battery's going low here on the phone. Mike Williams rookie. Raquan McMillian rookie for the Dolphins. Isaiah Crowell, Brandon Marshall, Kid Reporters, garbage. If you're just joining, I just did two packs. No autos yet. Josh McCown, LaShawn McCoy, Khalil Mack, Will Fuller, Frank Gore, Dak, that goes to the side, David Johnson, Quincy Enunwa, orange, 186 of 275. All cards are for sale except for Dallas Cowboys. Charles Harris rookie for the Dolphins. Chris Carson rookie for the Seahawks. Too bad he's hurt. He was playing well for Seattle for a little while. Because, you know, Eddie Lacy ain't shit no more. And Procise, he's injured. Marquise Goodwin, Dante Moncrief, 18% off. NFL shop. I hope I don't pull any redemptions. Geno Atkins. Eddie Lacy ain't shit, bro. You know that already. Robert Woods. Randall Cobb. Cody Kessler. Terrence Williams. Cowboys need to cut him. Yesterday. 3 weeks ago. Last year. Should never re-sign this garbage guy right here. TJ Yeldon. Another OJ Howard. Instant Impact rookie. These are not numbered. But a nice refractor there. No autos yet, bro. Nothing yet, bro. Nothing yet. No idea what this dude's name is, man. For the Chiefs. Chesson. G-Hugh Chesson. I guess. These are the wave. This should be to 149 like last year. Yeah. 19 of 149. Brian Hill, Falcons rookie. I don't want to botch nobody's name, so if you can read it, better for you. AJ Green, Theoretic, Refractors, Kid Reporters. Martellus Bennett, Sam Bradford, Jordan Reed, Jesse James, Tyrann Mathieu, Aaron Rodgers. Fuck this guy. Aaron Donald, Charles Clay, orange. $163 of $275. Tawan Taylor. Not the Bears guy I wanted, but it's alright. Adrian Peterson. Todd Gurley. Another 18% off. Mark Ingram. Damon Harrison, base rookie for the Giants. Marvin Jones Jr., Lamar Miller, Mike Evans. Yes, personal break. No autos yet. No autos. Cole Beasley, Phillip Rivers. Unbelievable. Garbage, Cody Kessler. Green Scope /99. Oh, here goes the guy right here. Mitchell Trubisky. The only guy I've seen throw 4 for 7 for an entire game and get the win. And Wayne Galeman for the Giants. Jimmy Graham, Brian Hoyer. Yeah, bro, the numbered cards in here, man, the parallels, it's almost sick. Hopefully I can pull, this year it's purple, cracked ice. Those are nice looking too. Eric Berry, Kyle Williams, Adam Vinatieri, Terrell Williams, Joe Flacco, Alan Hearns, CJ Mosley, and this guy, oh God. Adam Shaheen, number 87, probably a tight end. Yeah, tight end for the Bears. Again, not a Bears auto I would have wanted. Yeah, big time wrong Bear. Jonathan Allen rookie, Juju Smith-Schuster rookie, and Jalen Ramsey, Jared Cook. 5 packs, 2 autos left. James Harrison, Tyler Eifert, Brian Arakbo. Yeah, New York. James White, Brandon Cooks, Larry Fitzgerald, Ty Montgomery, Sammy Watkins wave, /118 of 149. I'm surprised they didn't switch his jersey yet. Oh man, breaking news. Joe Flacco enters concussion protocol. That bum. Nathan Peterman, rookie. Joe Williams, rookie. Keenan Allen, Mohamed Sanu. Still no top rookies yet out of this box. No Garrett, no Watson, no Fournette, no Kaiser. Zach Miller. Doug Martin. That's an order. I'll save that for later. Terrell Suggs. Bobby Anderson. Jadeveon Clowney. Antonio Gates. Nice. Kareem Hunt rookie. And a Zay Jones rookie. Not bad. Kareem Hunt, silver refractor. Also, Zay Jones. Travis Benjamin, Richard Sherman, Demaryius Thomas, Mark Barron, Jarvis Landry, Gerald McCoy, Kevin White, Matthew Stafford. This was the green from last year. So this is a Red Monster. Red Monster Matthew Stafford. 20 out of 49. Nice. Patrick Mahomes. Derek Barnett rookies. Nobody else important. Alright, there's still one auto left, and there's one to the side. Murray Cooper, Charles Sims, Ryan Tannehill, Tom Savage, my boy Zeke, Jason Witten. Oh, that's the last auto right there, so that's alright, that can go there. David Moore, rookie Seahawks. Jeremy McNichols, Buccaneers rookie. Paul Perkins, Tavon Austin. What were these back here? Freeman, Brown. Oh, this was the first pack. I don't know, I didn't do it yet. I'm saving them for the end. This box retails for $120. Again, 3 autos, 9 parallels. Jordan Matthews, Mike Glennon, Trevor Siemian, Cameron Meredith, Matt Ryan, Chris Hogan. You got Jerome Bettis, class of 2015 Hall of Fame insert. You got Brad Kaya to 149. Lions. Marcus May, Devontae Mays, Thaleen, and DeAndre Hopkins. Man, no Fournette, no Watson. That sucks. Alright, first auto is, well, second auto, Jordan Willis, linebacker for the Cincinnati Bengals. Terrible. Alright, last auto of the box goes to, and it's out of 99. 4 of 99. Oh, it's my boy. Alright, this box wasn't that bad. Ryan Switzer. Oh, what's going on, bro? Ryan Switzer. 4 out of 99. This box turned out to be a plus. Not bad at all. Alright. What I do all of 49 and under. Especially now since it's my guy. I put it in the mag. Damn, and I sliced the mag too. Jesus Christ. It's alright. All right, to recap the football break, we got 2 garbage guys. Jordan Willis, Adam Shaheen. But what made the box nice was my Dallas Cowboys. Ryan Switzer. Green Scope, 4 out of 99. Not bad. Alright, thanks a lot, guys, for joining. Have a good night.